A man named Semyon Kirlian discovered that if you run an electrical charge into an object or living thing on a photographic plate, it produces an electrical energy field surrounding the object. The technique used was to have a subject touching a film plate on a charged piece of metal. Kirlian said that he believed his photographs were proof of the subtle energy fields within the human aura. In some experiments, a photo was taken of an entire leaf, and then a section of the leaf, mainly the tip, was cut off. What was interesting was that the leaf tip would often still be visible in the second to plus photograph, indicating a phantom energy field that was left by the spiritual energy still within the leaf. How to see auras? It is believed that the aura is a subtle field of light which surrounds all living things. To see the subtle energy that beams off of everyone, you have to do two things. 1. Increase the sensitivity of your eyes and to extend your range of vision into seeing UV ultraviolet light. This last statement may seem impossible without a special camera, but the truth is that the human eye is just sensitive enough to see this energy field in the peripheral of our vision. 2. Increasing the communication between the left and right sides of the brain. The left side of the brain deals with linear, sequential, symbolic, and verbal thoughts. The right side is intuitive, creative, nonverbal, and color sensitive. When trying to see an aura, you look at your subject and stare to the side of them. It is best to look at another object and focus there. It would be easiest to start with someone standing in front of a white background. As you do this, an outline of light will begin to appear around the subject. This will give you the image of the person's energy body outline. You will see a gray or white auric field about an inch or two around the subject. With time and practice, you will begin to see colors in this field of energy. The exercises. Image 1. Sit back and focus on the dot in image 1. Let your peripheral vision to take in the colored circles as you stare at the dot. After a while, you will begin to see a red circle of fuzziness around the green circle and a green circle of fuzziness around the red circle. As soon as you try to look at either circle directly, though, you will no longer see the fuzzy ring that encircled the circles. Image 2. Cross your eyes as you look at the two circles in image 2. Do this until you are able to see for dots. Now let your eyes slowly go back into focus until the two white lines cross in the middle. You will find that your mind tries very hard to bring either one circle or the other into focus, obstructing one circle and then the other. This is because your mind's hemispheres are trying to communicate what they are seeing. You will either see the vertical line or the horizontal line at first, but as you do this over time, you will see both lines making a cross. This is when both hemispheres of the brain are in sync.